Channel Utsav, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today is day 7 of the 25 days to Christmas series, and we are opening the Crayola Advent Calendar, and it has 24 days worth of opening, and not for the actual Christmas day, but we are going to do something on Christmas day, so we'll just say 25 days to Christmas. And today is day 7, so the door for day 7 is right here. And I'm going to put it down and open like always, because you guys know, if you have watched my previous videos, that it's hard for me to open these, and I'm trying to keep it as clean as possible and not try to rip it. I've already ripped one of them really bad, but I still fixed it, so I'm okay. I'm okay till now. So that's door number 7, and whoa! Look at this, guys. We got some magic model clay and some accessories right here, and we also have this instruction sheet on how to make this cute snowman. So here it says, build a snowman. It's fun and easy with model magic, and these instructions make it into an ornament. Save additional anchors and ribbon for later. Okay, so they've given us extra, and we have the white clay and the red clay. And let's see if we have anything for the activity on the back. So there's an envelope back here with all the activities for the 24 days, but as you can see, it says day 8 and not 7. So today is day 7, so we don't have any activities for today on here, and I'm not going to peek into this because it says no peeking and pull out only today's number. So just going to leave it, and we'll head to the table and we'll make this snowman today. Okay, I'm really excited. Oops, yeah, right here. Let's make this snowman with our model magic clay, and we will be done. Alright guys, so we'll start with making the snowman, and I'm going to follow the exact instructions that came in the package. So first we'll open the white clay, and I will start making the parts of snowman according to the instructions. This clay magic model is so soft, and it is so the texture is really soft. It's not like Play-Doh, but it's not even like polymer clay. And here I am going to make the 2 big balls, 1 small ball, 2 cones for the legs, and 2 logs for the hands. And this snowman is so absolutely cute. I just love him, and I just love the way it looks. So I'm going to start working on all the body parts of the snowman first. Other thing that I noticed about this clay was that it keeps sticking to each other. So when I made the body parts, I kept them separated out just so that they don't stick to each other, because it's hard to pull them out without ruining the shape of the parts. So that's the reason why I kept them very separate from each other, just to make sure that everything is in line with the order. It was a little hard for me to make the hands and legs for the snowman, because not the hands, particularly the legs, because I have stopped using or working with the clay for a long time. I think the last time I used it was before I got married, and that was like 4 years ago, and I haven't worked with them, but I tried my best. Here I've completed all the body parts for the snowman, and you will see me making the hat and everything in the bloopers, but now I'm assembling the snowman here, and you will see in the end what went wrong and why I was not able to show you how I made the hat and the buttons on camera, because it was like it was totally crazy. So I'm really sorry about it, but I did follow all the instructions that came along in the paper. So here I have completed and attached the googly eyes already, and I'm using a toothpick to give the texture for the buttons and the hat, and then giving the snowman a smile. And I really love how absolutely adorable this snowman is looking now. But definitely go watch the bloopers in the end after the video why I was not able to show you how I made the snowman hat. So here I have completed the snowman, and now we are going to attach the accessories. First the hook to make the snowman into an ornament, and I'm just pressing this hook on top of the hat of the snowman, and then I'm going to tie the ribbon through the hooks to make a hanging or this ornament hanging. And also I added some glue around the hook so that it stays and it dries up and it hardens and it doesn't come off like it did when I did not put any glue on it. Alright guys, so I made this snowman and it looks so cute. I'm not holding it as an ornament right now because the glue is still drying around the screw right here. And also I used the googly eyes that came in yesterday's day 6 opening. I used it for the snowman, and then I gave it textures with a toothpick, and it looks absolutely adorable. I love this, and I still have 2 more screws and 2 more ribbons to go, So maybe they have something in for us. Maybe that's a hint that we have more magic model coming. But this snowman looks absolutely cute. I just love him. And I haven't named him yet, so well, he's just going to be Snowman for now. So that's about it, guys, for today's video. I absolutely thank you guys for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you enjoyed watching me see how I made this snowman, give me a big thumbs up. I only followed the instruction that was on the paper, nothing of my own sort. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're at it, watching this video, if you like my video. Thank you so much, guys, for this beautiful day. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye.